Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 16. Garbage in, garbage out. 16. Garbage in, garbage in, garbage out. So in this chapter, first we will discuss about what is waste. Waste is anything which we throw away. That is called the waste. And what is the garbage? Municipal solid waste is commonly called the garbage. And domestic wastes are the waste produced from our household in our daily activities, and some of these include kitchen wastes. In kitchen wastes, that is the vegetable, fruits and others, and now human excreta, garbage, that is the newspaper rags, etc., and plastic bags. Now come to the what is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable matter. So what is the biodegradable? First we will discuss about the biodegradable matter. What is the biodegradable matter? The wastes which can be broken down into the simpler substances by the action of microorganism. So this type of substances are called the biodegradable matter. Examples: vegetable matter, domestic sewage, newspapers, and biodegradable wastes undergoes rotting. And what is the non-biodegradable matter? The non-biodegradable matter, the wastes which cannot be broken down to non-poisonous substances easily are called the non-biodegradable matter. Examples: plastic bags and polythene bags, plastics, aluminium cans, iron nail and DDT. So difference you can understand. Those who will take less time for rotting, they are called the biodegradable matter, and those who take very long time to rotting, they are called the non-biodegradable wastes. And next one is the what is the landfill area? Landfill area, the place where solid garbage is taken, is called the landfill area. And the Indraprastha Park in Delhi is built on a landfill site. And what is the composting? The conversion of solid wastes into the manure. The conversion of solid wastes into the manure is called the composting. And what is the vermicomposting? Composting with the help of earthworm is called the vermicomposting. And you know that earthworms are farmers' friend. Earthworms are called the farmers' friend. And in activity, how you have to make compost. When dig a pit about 3 feet deep in a cool or shaded corner of the garden, and put kitchen wastes in the pit and cover it with a thin layer of soil so that air can enter the pit. Observe the pit after 6 to 8 weeks, and what do you find? The kitchen wastes have rotted into a dark material which is compost or manure. So what is the recycling of wastes? Some wastes we can recycle, some waste waste material we can reuse. So 3 R's, we can adopt 3 R's by minimize the effect of the wastes. So we will adopt 3 R's, that is the reduce, reuse and recycle. So, and in this, what is the plastics? Plastics, you know that it is a non-biodegradable wastes, and it takes very long time to rotting. And in this chapter, you know that we discussed about what is the waste. Waste is anything which is thrown away, and biodegradable waste is waste material that can be broken down to simpler substances by the action of microorganism. That is the biodegradable matter waste is, and non-biodegradable waste is waste material that cannot be broken down into easily or take a very long time to rot. And what is the recycling? Putting into new use unwanted things or waste materials, that is the recycling. And composting, converting solid matter into manure by decomposition. So this is the chapter 16. This is all about chapter 16, garbage in, garbage out. You will take revision, and I have given answer the following, means exercises in the study material, and you can take it from there and you have to write in your copy. 15 and 16 I have completed and I have given, and you have to write down in your copy. 6 and 13 is remaining, I will give you later. And this is all about chapter 16 and you will take revision of this chapter.